Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use the thin extrude, fillet, full round fillet, and hole. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create these three lines here. This line here has 100 millimeters. This line here has 58. And this line here has 40 millimeters because it is 32 minus 12 millimeters, the distance here. So it is 20 millimeters here plus 20 millimeters of the radius. So it is 40 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here on the midpoint, make a line here with 100 millimeters, and make a line here with 58 millimeters, and create a line here with 40 millimeters, and press OK. And now finish the sketch, go to Extrude, and the type here, select thin extrude, and uncheck the chaining here. And here we will select this line and this one. And here we need to extrude this 40 millimeters, the distance here. And the thickness is 12 millimeters. So the direction, select symmetric, measurement whole length, the distance 40 millimeters, and the wall thickness here is 12 millimeters. And make sure to change the direction here to the side 2. Operation new body and press OK. And now show the sketch 1 again. And we need to extrude this line here, 64 millimeters, and the thickness 12 millimeters. So go to Extrude, select thin extrude, select this line here, remove the chaining here, select only this line, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length, the distance here 64 millimeters, and the wall thickness is 12 millimeters. The operation here is join. And here the wall location is the side 1, operation join, and press OK. You can hide the sketch 1. We made this one, okay? And now go to fillet. We will create this full round fillet here and create these 2 fillets with 12 millimeters of radius. So go to fillet and type here, select full round fillet, select this face here and press OK. And go to fillet again, but the type, select fillet and select this edge here and this edge. The fillet here is 12 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create this hole. This hole here has 20 millimeters of diameter and it is concentric with this arc. So go to hole and select this face here. The extend, select it all. The hole type, simple. The hole type, simple. Move this a little bit and click here and this arc for reference. So now this hole is concentric with this arc. And the diameter here is 20 millimeters and press OK. And now we will create these 2 holes here. And here we will create this point for reference. This point here is 20 millimeters of distance of this edge here, of the midpoint. And the distance between these 2 points is 30 millimeters. And it is in the center of this body. So go to create a sketch, select this face, and go to create, select a point, make 2 points here. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and the midpoint, this point and this point here. And now go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 20 millimeters, and the distance between these 2 points is 30 millimeters. And finish the sketch. Go to hole, and the placement, select it from sketch, select this 2 point. The extend, select all, the hole type simple, and the diameter here is 24 millimeters. Let me check this, 24 millimeters. And press OK. We made this one. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.